Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a cash account in ProjectionLab. In this walkthrough, we'll add a simple cash account so it shows up correctly in your financial snapshot and rolls into your projections. A cash account can represent physical cash, a basic checking balance you want to track manually, or any on-hand funds that aren't linked through an integration. The goal is to place it where ProjectionLab expects liquid savings, so your totals remain clear and accurate. Start by opening ProjectionLab in your browser. Once the app loads, you'll see your main dashboard. From here, head to the area called Current Finances. This section is your command center for what you own and owe today. It's a great place to confirm that every account you want to track is listed and categorized, and it's exactly where your new cash account will appear once we add it. Inside Current Finances, navigate to the Savings view. Depending on your layout, this may be labeled Savings or grouped with other liquid accounts. This is the right place for cash because it keeps your short-term, accessible funds together, separate from long-term investments or debt. Next, select Add Savings. This creates a new savings entry so you can define what it represents. You'll see a fresh line ready to customize. Think of this as the container that will hold the balance of your cash. Now choose Edit on the new entry to open its details. Editing lets you rename the item and set the key information you want to track. Clear naming helps later when you scan your lists and reports, so keep it simple and descriptive. In the name field, enter cash account. You can use any wording that makes sense to you, but a straightforward label keeps your dashboard tidy and prevents confusion with other accounts you might add later. Finally, enter the sample amount balance you want to track for this cash account. Use the amount that reflects your current on-hand cash or manual checking balance. If you're estimating, round to a level that you can reliably update later. Double-check the number for accuracy and make sure you're using the correct currency formatting for your region. That's it. Your cash account now lives under savings within Current Finances, and its balance feeds into your overall totals and future projections. As your situation changes, you can come back to this entry to adjust the balance or refine the name so it stays meaningful. Keeping this figure updated will make your plan more realistic and help you see the impact of short-term cash on your long-term goals.